In this video, we will show you the in-the-box accessories of DJI RSC2 and the DJI RSC2 Pro Combo. Both DJI RSC2 and the Pro Combo come with DJI RSC2, which has 3 USB-C ports, the RSS camera control port, the focus motor port, and the image transmission port. The built-in battery provides up to 14 hours of battery life and can be charged using the USB-C charging cable. The Ronin Quick Release Plate, lower, is compatible with Manfrotto standard. The Ronin Quick Release Plate, upper, and the camera riser are compatible with both Arca Swiss and Manfrotto. Use the lens fastening strap during shooting to enhance stabilization. It is required when you use Super Smooth. The extended grip tripod has 3 legs. When joined, it serves as an extension for more handling versatility. When separated, it is a tripod to stand DJI RSC2 upright on a flat surface. A standalone DJI RSC2 purchase includes the following: a Ronin multi-camera control cable, Sony Multi, Ronin multi-camera control cable USB-C, Ronin multi-camera control cable micro USB, and Ronin multi-camera control cable mini USB. There are also 2 hook and loop straps, 2 D-ring camera mounting screws, 1/4 inch 20, 1 1/4 inch 20 screw, and 1 USB-C charging cable. In addition to these accessories, the DJI RSC2 Pro Combo also includes the following items: 1 image transmitter, 3 HDMI cables, 1 USB-C power cable, 1 cold shoe to 1/4 inch 20 adapter for the image transmitter, 1 phone holder that attaches to the NATO port on the side of the handle, 1 focus motor, which can be used with the front dial to control focus, iris, and zoom, and 1 USB-C power cable to control the focus motor. There's also a focus motor rod mount kit, focus gear strip, and 6 M4 screws to tighten the rod mount. Remove the gimbal from the box, loosen the lock knobs, unfold the gimbal, and then adjust the knobs into lock position. Screw the extended grip tripod into the BG30 grip and unfold the tripod. Toggle the tilt, roll, and pan lock levels to the unlocked position. Unfold the axis arms and toggle the 3 locks to the locked position. Press and hold the power button to power on the gimbal. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Launch the Ronin app and log into your DJI account or sign up for a new account. When a list of Bluetooth devices is detected, select DJI RSC2 and input the default Bluetooth password 12345678, and then activate the gimbal according to the instructions. You can also activate DJI Care Refresh to enjoy express replacement at a small amount of charge and the international warranty service. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.